Hello, I am Beth Ann Stone with the LMC Office of Planning and Institutional Effectiveness, and this video is for Instructional Units, Program Review, Year 5 Update in eLumen, Section 2, Vision for Success Goals. As noted in the introductory video, you should have downloaded your Program Review Year 3 Update Report and the Instructional Units Program Review Year 5 Guide for eLumen. Additionally, you now know from the introductory video how to access and log into eLumen, ensuring your role as department coordinator is correct. You selected the appropriate program or unit for this program review. You've accessed strategic planning, gone to initiatives, and clicked on to pull up your instructional units program review year 5 update template. For the purpose of this video, we will be utilizing the art department. Using the scroll bar on the right-hand side of your screen, scroll down to Section 2, Vision for Success Goals Update. Please be sure that you have your Program Review Year 3 Update Report available and accessible, as you will need it to respond to the questions in this section. The state's Vision for Success plan established system-wide goals that can only be attained by each program contributing to college-level goals aligned with this plan. Toward that end, the goals stated in both the district's strategic plan and the LMC Educational Master Plan align with the Vision for Success goals. The intent is to direct college efforts towards a singular and coordinated set of goals to garner greater efficiencies and avoid duplication of effort. As you'll see here, a link to the state's Vision for Success plan, the district's strategic plan, and LMC's Educational Master Plan are provided, as well as in your Program Review eLumen Guide. Additionally, we've included the Chancellor's Office Vision for Success goals in the instructions for this section. Using the scroll bar on the right-hand side of your screen, scroll down until you reach the first question, question 2A. Please note this video will only be providing you instructions on how to complete your program review in eLumen. For instructions and information on how to access, download, and review your data in Tableau for program review, those will be provided separately and be available for you via the PI website. Question 2A. The following table lists the Vision for Success indicators that we must align to as a college and as a district. Please look at your program data or in Tableau for each of the following Vision for Success indicators. Please address all indicators that are relevant to your program and provide a status update on your program goals from your Program Review Year 3 update. Please include action steps if your goal has been modified and an explanation if your goal has been abandoned. You'll see the table below with 6 columns. Here you'll see the labels for the Vision for Success indicators and ACCJC indicators. The program next column is your program set goals from your Year 3 update. The next column is status, indicating modified, completed, abandoned, or in progress. In progress is not listed here due to a system error. However, it is an option that you can enter. The next column is your timeline. The next column, responsible parties, and then action steps and explanation. First thing we want to do is we want to copy and paste this table into our response so we can begin completing it based on our Year 3 update. To do so, you simply highlight the table, right mouse click, select copy. Using the scroll bar on the right hand side of your screen, scroll down to the text box for your response, place your cursor in the box, select Control B to insert the table. This table is also provided in your eLumen Program Review Guide. Now the table is pasted in our response and we can begin completing it. To do so, I want to refer to my Year 3 Update Report to copy and paste over my goals from that update. To do so, I make sure I have my Year 3 Update Report open and navigate to it. I am at Section 2A of my Program Review Year 3 Update Report, and I'm ready to copy my first goal over, which is under Core Success. To copy it over, I simply highlight the text, right mouse click, select Copy, then navigate back to eLumen to paste my response. I am now back in eLumen. I select the or the cell rather, that I want to copy and paste my text into. Select Control V, and there's my goal. I next want to indicate the status of this goal. The timeline for completion, and responsible parties. And any action steps or an explanation if my status has been abandoned or modified. Please note, as you type in the text, these columns will automatically expand to allow room. I'm next ready to repeat this for my next Vision for Success indicator. I go to my Program Review Year 3 Update Report. The next Vision for Success indicator I selected in my Year 3 update was under Degrees. I highlight the text, right mouse click, select Copy. Now I'm ready to return to my eLumen template to paste the information to my response. I'm now ready to paste my response. Complete my status, my timeline, responsible parties, and an explanation as I selected modified. I repeat this process for any of the additional Vision for Success indicators, ensuring that I've answered all appropriate questions. Now I'm ready to proceed to Section 2B. Section 2B, the Vision for Success Goal 5, Equity, is designed to reduce the equity achievement gap on course success for disproportionately impacted student populations. The college has identified the following 3 disproportionately impacted populations: African American, economically disadvantaged students, or low income and foster youth students. Please review your program data in Tableau for each of the aforementioned disproportionately impacted populations and provide a status update on your program goals for your previously selected disproportionately impacted populations in your Program Review Year 3 update. If your goal has been modified, please include action steps, and if your goal has been abandoned, please provide an explanation. You'll see a table included below here. In order to complete my response for this question, I want to highlight the table, right mouse click to copy it, select Copy. Using the scroll bar to the right hand side of the screen, I want to place my cursor in the open text box, select Control V to paste the text, and you'll see the table appear in the response. Now I'm ready to complete it. I ensure that I have my Program Review Year 3 Update Report open and accessible so I can copy and paste the information accordingly and then complete the updates. I'm now ready to navigate to my Program Review Year 3 Update Report to copy that information into my Year 5 update in eLumen. I am at my Year 3 report, question 2B. I see my first disproportionately impacted population and my goal. I highlight the text for my goal, right mouse click, select Copy, then navigate to my eLumen template to paste the information. I am now back at my eLumen template. I place my cursor in the appropriate cell, select Control B to paste my goal. Then I am ready to indicate my status. Please note, in progress is an option, but due to a system error, it does not appear as one, but you can type it in. I select my timeline and responsible parties. I provide action steps or explanation. I can refer to my Year 3 update report and copy and paste the action steps I indicated at that time and paste them into my Year 5 and then adjust them accordingly. To show you how that's done, I will navigate to my Year 3 report, highlight the text I indicated for this goal under action steps, copy this, return to my eLumen template to paste, place my cursor in the appropriate box, select Control V to paste that, and then I can continue adding information or removing information if needed. I want to repeat this process for the remaining indicators for Vision for Success Goal 5. Once I have completed entering my program review year 3 update for the Vision for Success Goal 5 on equity and entered my timeline, provided a current status, responsible parties, and action steps or explanation, I am now done with 2B. Now I am ready to submit this for my department manager or dean to review. Please note there are 3 buttons below this section: Cancel Changes, Save Draft, and Publish. If you select Cancel Changes, that will cancel all of the changes you've currently made during this session in eLumen. What you want to select is Save Draft. This will save what you have done, and your department dean or manager can review it accordingly. So we want to select Save Draft. And now we have a completed Section 2 of Instructional Units Program Review Year 5 Update. Please see the next video on Section 3, Assessment Status Update and CSLO Assessment Effectiveness.